Check out this 1999 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.